Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Day Challenge. This is day 651, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, balance should be the same. There's no change in terms of balance wise when it comes to trading perspective. So, in terms of the overall market wise, you do see the US market really looking relatively flat in terms of the price action wise. Yesterday we did actually drop to lower low, but we actually closed up with a very nice candlestick. You can see over here a green candlestick, so some signs of indecision, and today we strongly bounced above it, which is again a very good sign that we want to see as well. And in terms of the Nasdaq wise, similarly, we do see potential to stay in the price action itself. So same thing, potential because is there, but that is provided that we can strongly bounce above in the coming week itself for today close, and also for the coming week ahead itself. Otherwise, for the downside could still be much likely in play. And moving over to the China market side of things, ES Asia definitely looks to be potentially bouncing over here as well, some sort of accumulation over here. So if we have an accumulation over here, or say even for a couple of weeks, and then we break above this 20 exponential moving average, we could have a very strong sign of reversal in the coming weeks to come for ASH. And similarly for KMAP, we're also seeing some signs of consolidation and potential accumulation phase itself. But similarly, we want it to break strongly above this 50 simple moving average and stay above of it. That's very key for potential strong reversal in that sense. And finally, in terms of Bitcoin itself, what we do want to see over here is now that we have a very decent clear rejection of the board low itself, which is around 25K region. We want it to have a strong bounce, and potentially we could retest this 33K region itself. 30 to 33K region itself will now be a clear resistance. So the key thing is we want it to be potentially retested over here for a short period, and then a very strong break above it. And then we do have a weak retest, that would be great. Otherwise, we may not have any retest, and then we can continue towards the upside until towards the 40 to 40K region itself. So that could without a doubt be a potential price path that we could take as well. But of course, that's not to say that we cannot see further downside, especially towards this 24K region itself, or even towards this 20K or 19K region itself. There's definitely a possibility we do see a further drop. What we do potentially could see could be something similar to here, where a very sharp drop, very decent bounce, we consolidate over here, extended period, and then potentially retest 1000 and 20K mark before we continue towards the upside. It could again be another possibility that we could take. But in the meantime, let's see how things goes, and we'll just keep things in check and taking things one step at a time when it comes to investment and also come to trading wise. With that said, I've come to the end of the day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.